Today's majority vote from Twitter's shareholders does is give the green light for this lawsuit to proceed. What the shareholders voted today was to allow the company to be sold to Elon Musk for $44 billion. That is a procedural thing that needs to happen. Though at the same time, we know Elon Musk is having buyer's remorse and wants to get out of a deal. And because they have the consent now of the shareholders to pursue getting this buyout, they will indeed end up going to court in October to essentially force Elon Musk to fulfill his proposal that he put out back in the spring.
And so, Shibani, you mentioned the fact, Musk wants out. He's repeatedly accused Twitter of violating specific conditions. He wants it to void the deal. Does he have any legal standing with that argument?
Well, Nicole, it does seem a lot has changed since he put the deal on the table in the spring. If you look specifically at the share price alone, he offered a deal for $54.20 per share. I was looking at the closing share price today, just under $42 a share. So it's already lost 25% of its value. So in his mind, and rightfully so, he is overpaying for what he initially asked for. And then going back to what you said, he asked to look under the hood, so to speak, and look at the number of users that the company has. And he believes that he's not getting accurate data. So again, what is he essentially buying? And then lastly, we had this latest whistleblower come out and speak on Capitol Hill about security issues. Again, cause for concern for somebody who's a new buyer. So all of this will get hashed out in court.
Do you think the merger is ultimately going to go through?
Well, it's hard to say, but it certainly won't be cheap for Elon to back out of this. The world's richest man will have to pay a breakup fee of $1 billion because of this performance clause that forces him to buy it unless there is a financing issue, which there is not. The SEC also could have some consequences here. Twitter and Elon Musk's activity on it has been market moving. The day that he announced that he was going to buy Twitter, Tesla shares lost $14 billion in market cap. And so the SEC could also get involved and there could be class holder lawsuits. So essentially, either way, he's not going to get out of this cheaply, but he's got $280-something billion. So I don't think it's going to hurt him too badly.
All right. Well, this back and forth will certainly continue, at least in the short term. All right. Shibani Joshi.